doing stickers.
And you're singing about it?
Yeah.
You sing me a song about stickers?
Mommy, I'm doing stickers.
What kind of stickers are you doing? They look like stamps to me.
I'm doing stamp stickers.
What's on those stickers?
They're beautiful and I like.
Yeah? What kind of things are beautiful do you like?
This.
What is it?
That's the ocean. What is this called?
Oh, I think that might be a blue heron.
That's a blue heron. I found a blue heron.
Fantastic! Have you ever seen a blue heron?
Yeah. It's in the dark heron. The dark heron.
Where did you see a blue heron?
With Colin and Sadie when I gone to Sadie's school.
Yeah, on Lake Washington, right? Down at the lake?
Yeah.
Did you also see one when we were canoeing?
Yeah.
What was it doing?
There's two blue herons. There's two blue herons.
Look at all those bird stickers.
There's two bird stickers.
Do you like birds?
Yeah.
What's your favorite kind of bird?
Heron.
Heron?
And an owl. I'm not afraid of owls.
You're not afraid of owls?
No.
What kind of birds come to our bird feeder? Do herons come to our bird feeder? What kind of birds come to our bird feeder?
Sparrows.
Yeah? What else?
Chickadees don't come to our bird feeder.
Chickadees don't come or they do come?
They do come right out of the ring.
Can you look at me?
Yeah.
What did chickadees say?
Chick, chick, chick.
They say chickadee-dee-dee.
Also just say chick, 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 chick. Because their babies just say chick, chick, chick.
Oh, very cool.
What is this?
I don't know. You ready to say goodbye to the camera?
I'm